Hello guys, good evening. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our latest analysis for this Monday to Wednesday, February 5 to 7, 2024. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Naga College Foundation, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands. If you're willing to check out their website, they have this special project known as hashtag BBI Sustainable with You. Just click on the link here for more details. And also Avenue Plaza Hotel, the local government of Naga City headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman Gabi Bordado of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur. So let's begin with our update. Everything is quiet across the Philippine Islands. Dry conditions is expected elsewhere. And we have portions of the Philippine Islands being affected by the warm easterlies. That's the Visayas and the Bicol region. And over to the southernmost part of Mindanao, southern Soxygen area, we have some cloudiness with isolated rain showers and possible thunderstorms over the offshore islands of Bangsamoro region. And this is mainly due to the Near-Equatorial Trough. There's a trough here. Now this trough is trying to develop into a low pressure area, but it's not yet fully organized. And based on the computer models, everything is fine. It's not expected to intensify into a low pressure system, but we are observing this cluster of cloudiness. Okay, and we have a frontal system here over Japan, bringing some wintry conditions right here, as well as the cold front affecting the eastern sections of Taiwan. But this frontal system or a shear line is not expected to reach Luzon because of a quasi-stationary high pressure, which is inhibiting this frontal system to dig down across Luzon. So it will just remain over Taiwan and the northernmost part of the South China Sea and affecting Hong Kong. Okay. And so far, that's the latest from our GovSat. If you take a look at the fast animation, so this is now the cloudiness of the Near-Equatorial Trough trying to develop, but it's not expected to develop based on the computer models. As for the zoom-in satellite animation, everything is dry and clear across Luzon, except for some cloudiness over Visayas and portions of the Bicol region because of the warm easterly wind flow with some low chances of rain showers or thunderstorms. And here's the Near-Equatorial Trough with some cloudiness affecting southern Soxygen, offshore areas of Bangsamoro. And for the wind and pressure forecast from the European model, this is valid for the next 3 days. And this is from the windy.com site. By tomorrow afternoon, we expect light easterlies to prevail across the Visayas and the Bicol region. And there will be some light easterly winds affecting Batanes, Cubao Islands because of the passage of a shortwave frontal system. And here's the Near-Equatorial Trough, and it could bring some cloudiness across eastern and southern Mindanao. On Wednesday afternoon, same situation, easterlies across the Bicol region and Visayas, while light northeasterly winds across the eastern coastal waters or coastal areas of Mindanao. And as we take a look at the rainfall accumulation forecast, this is for the next 3 days, and some showers will be expected across the eastern sections of southern Caraga and also across the eastern and central portions of Davao region. Some isolated rain showers will also be expected over Soxygen and areas of Bukidnon, Lanao area. So far, that's the forecast from the European model based on the 3-day forecast accumulation. And if you take a look at the wave forecast from the European model, this is also from windy.com. And for the next 3 days, it will remain 1.5 to 2 meters across the eastern coastal waters of the Philippine Islands, while 0.3 to 1 meter of wave height, calm to very light, will be expected across the inland waters of the Philippine Islands as well as over the West Philippine Sea for the next 3 days until Wednesday. So it's great to have some fishing activities here. Okay, nothing to worry about. So there you go. That's the latest for this Monday, February 5th. And we'll return on Wednesday to give you more updates on the weather from Typhoon2000. This is Mike Padua saying have a great week ahead. Stay safe always. And thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.